guys, welcome back to Queen Lee's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some Caribbean Guinness punch, and these are basically all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. And guys, I should tell you, I'm going to be making it the exact way that I saw my mom make it. I know, different people do put different stuff in their Guinness punch, but I'm just going to stick to the exact way that I saw my mom make it. And I'm going to also have my version in part 2 of this mix to do it the way how I'm doing it right now in this day and age. But guys, yeah, these are the ingredients: Guinness Stout, SUPLIGEN, sweetened condensed milk, mixed spice, ground nutmeg, an egg to each bottle of Guinness, and some nutmeg sitting and weigh in, which I will have to grate her. Now, this is Mama's way, and SUPLIGEN is what I saw her put in her Guinness punch. I know sometimes you can use milk. Some people use milk, oat milk, almond milk, and also nourishment. But I tried my best to find what the ingredients that I saw my mom used to make it, and SUPLIGEN is one of them. So I'm happy that I found it, guys. So before further ado, let's get mixing our Caribbean Guinness punch Mama's way. First, I'm going to go in with my egg. And I'm using both the egg white and the egg yolk. And I'm going to whisk it. Then I'm going to go in to the egg mixture with some of my mixed spice. And I'm going to whisk again. I'm then going to pour the egg mixture into a jug. Next, guys, I'm going to go in with my Guinness. My bottle of Guinness Stout. So guys, there's a trick to pouring your Guinness if you don't want it to foam over. So you're going to hold the Guinness bottle as close to the edge of the jug as possible. Tilt it over a bit, that's the jug, and then pour the Guinness in. It will froth, but not as much as when you pour it all at once. But it's still frothing up, innit? Maybe I didn't do it the right way, but yeah. That was meant to be a trick, but it didn't happen. Or I expected it. So that's the Guinness in, guys. 1 bottle of Guinness punch. Next, I'm going to go in with my SUPLIGEN. Shake it up a bit. Then I'm going to pour in my SUPLIGEN. There we go. So I've poured the Guinness and the SUPLIGEN in already with the beaten egg. Next, guys, I'm going to go in with my sweetened condensed milk. You can use as much as you like, but you know the SUPLIGEN is already sweet, so I'm just going to use like left about quarter of the tin for now. Next, guys, I'm going to go in with my whisk and whisk it. So what I'm doing now, guys, is mixing all the ingredients together. You know what, guys? You can add a bit of rum to this if you like, but in this mixture I'm not going to, because I don't remember seeing Mom doing that. So all my ingredients have been incorporated. So that was the nutmeg grated, mixed spice, egg, milk, sweet milk, SUPLIGEN, and Guinness. So that's what our mixture is looking like right now. That's the finishing touch of our Caribbean Guinness sponge, Mama's way. So I'm just going to go on in now and pour you a lovely glass of Guinness sponge. And if you'd stick with me this far throughout this video, thank you so much. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Click that notification bell also, that when I do a video, you'll be the first to be notified. So guys, I'm just sharing your portion right now. That one has in a bit of ice. I'm going to go in and share another. So that's one for me, one for you. Cheers in together. Nice, rich and creamy, guys. And to top this off, guys, I'm going to go in. I love this bit. Pouring some sweet milk in. So when I put my straw in, it's going to be getting that sweet, juicy taste from the bottom. And then also sprinkle a bit of my cinnamon with nutmeg and top. There you go, guys. So that's Mama's version of Caribbean Guinness sponge. Hope you have enjoyed watching. Thank you very much. Until next time, as always, it's one love. God bless. Bye.